Most sites, including all in our benchmark, follow a standard logic for combining filters to refine results. Sites that break this convention risk losing users who can't tailor product lists to their preferences. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 429 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Always use AND logic for filter types and or logic for filter options. Filters on most sites behave as users expect, with filter types using AND logic and filter options using OR logic. AND logic for filter types means if a user selects options from the color and material filter types, only items that match selections from both are shown. A green dress in cotton will be included if those options are chosen, but not a green dress in linen or a blue dress in cotton. OR logic for filter options means if a user selects both red and green from the color type, items in both colors are included in the filtered list instead of only items that are a mix of red and green. In other words, OR logic is used for filter options. Following AND logic for filter types and OR logic for filter options makes filtering predictable for users. This approach narrows results when combining filter types and broadens them when combining options, aligning with user expectations. H&M uses AND logic for filter types and OR logic for filter options. So, with the options green and pink from the color type applied, and cashmere and mohair from the material type, the 5 filtered items include both types of fabric and both colors, with no items in other materials or colors. On Marks & Spencer, when the color filter options black and beige and the fit options slim and loose are applied, the list contains items that match the options from both filter types, but have only the color and fit options that were specified. On Amazon, choosing the Sony and LG brand filter options and the 50 to 59 inches and 60 to 69 inches options from the screen size filter type resulted in a list as expected of TVs from both brands and of both sizes, but no other brands or sizes. On John Lewis, combining 2 color types, green natural with 2 types of material, cotton, linen, tailors the list to contain just items that match both filter types and either color choice, as expected. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your filtering, including over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.